Hey guys, what's up? So this is I guess part 2 of this custom in progress, and just wanted to show you how far we've come along. Just put my mask on here and my eye protection. And, water's dry now, so take it out and have a quick look at it. And you can see we've got a little bit of a water drop effect going on. If I can hold it still here. There it is. So yeah, I've got my clear coat here. I'm just gonna give it a light coat of clear. Shake it up again, and give it a quick dusting here. There we go. Let's see if we can get a better shot of this now. But yeah, that's the first side there for you guys. I'm going to let this dry overnight before I apply tape to this top side. Probably do the next side tomorrow. I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll just leave it as is and strip it back down. I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. And again, check out those other guys. That's where I got the ideas from. But yeah, there's the water drop effect for you guys. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.